Hey, it's Arthur with Arthur's Tiny House Blog. An interesting 2 years after the fact update on the tiny on the shed that I built. I'm not sure if this can focus on that, but I was looking at the roof line earlier and I saw what appeared to be peeling paint. That's not peeling paint. That is the lack of wood. And I can't quite make it out because I'd had to climb up there with a ladder, and right now there's a lot of snow, and that's not likely to happen until the weather turns better. But my best guess is, based on the holes over there in that corners, again, hopefully you can actually see that, is carpenter bees have completely stripped this out. So that's a thing. I'm not precisely certain how I'm going to fix this, but I definitely need to because, especially with those holes there, all kinds of inclement weather can get in, and I'd rather not have anything that's inside there get wet. That's bad. So stay tuned. We'll figure something out, probably when the weather is better.